going to show you how I cook my Oreo cake. Okay, this is no recipe or anything that you can go look up online. It's just the way I like fixing Oreo cake. And the way I came up with this Oreo cake was, to be honest, it was an accident. So the end result turned out amazing, so I just stuck with it. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. I have here just regular yellow cake mix. You can use, you know, any kind of cake mix brand that you prefer. So I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla flavor, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2/3 cups of butter, I'm going to give this a little spin. Okay, next I'm going to add, I have 5 eggs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, I miscounted, 5. I thought 1 dropped, but it didn't drop. But it's 5 eggs. Just 5, you guys. Okay, and I'm gonna mix this up really good. Mixed semi-good. I'm just gonna scrape the sides and scrape the bottom just to make sure it's no ingredients in at the bottom. So you want to mix it on low for about 2 minutes. Then you want to stop it, scrape the sides, check the bottom, and you want to add a cup of crushed Oreos. And you want to blend it on high for about a minute to a minute and a half. Your cake batter should look something like this. If you see the white pieces in it, like little chunks of white pieces, that's just the Oreo filling. Moving right along. Now you're just going to take your cake pan, and I lightly sprayed it I have my oven eye preheated at 350. So we're just gonna take this and dump it right over in there. Scrape the sides of this bowl to get the rest of this cake filling out. So, to tell you a little bit about this cake, how it was a mistake. Because the crushed Oreos originally supposed to went on top, goes on top, but I was such in a hurry trying to cook this cake before I realized that I had added the Oreos in the batter, and it actually came out to be amazing. So I just stuck with it. So now that our cake is in our cake pan, just wipe the sides here. It's in our cake pan. You just want to place it in your oven, which my oven is preheated at 350, and you want to cook it for about 25 to 30 minutes. I have took our cake out of the oven. It cooked for 35 minutes versus 20 to 25. I stayed kept it in there for an extra 5 minutes. So my cake cooked for 35 minutes. As you can see, it's nice and firm, looking all pretty. So now what you want to do is just put it on a cooling rack, and you want your cake to cool completely. So you want it to cool from about anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour. You just want to make sure the cake is completely cool before we go on to the next step. Our cake has cooled for an hour, so it's like completely cool, like cool to the touch. Like, okay. So now what we're gonna do is you're just gonna take some original Cool Whip. You want it to sit out so that you're able to like mix it. So I'm just gonna try to stir it up here because you want to spread it on the cake. So I let it sit out for about 10 minutes already. So let me see. Come on.
No cheating. No cheating. Who was it? The TTV Toxic Gamer?
So you just want to spread it on the cake. Like I said, it helps when it's cooled. I want to get it on there like really thick. So this is the last little bit left.
Stop third party. I'm trying to make just orange.
So there we go. Got it on there like really thick. So it should look something like that. Now on to a little bit more easier part. I have the remaining of my Oreos, which I use Oreo Thins just because it makes the crushing process a little bit easier. So you just want to take them and just twist them open and just lay them around the cake. Like that. Our broken Oreos will just sit over there. And finally, you're just gonna take Oreo crumbs and just sprinkle it in the middle. Like that. There you have it, our Oreo cake. So now all you want to do is just place it in the refrigerator until you get ready to serve. Due to the whipped cream, you don't want to keep it out. But very simple, very easy, as I have told you. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe of my Oreo cake. If you do try this recipe out, comment below and let me know. Also, comment below and let me know what you thought about this recipe, okay? So if you haven't subscribed, go make sure you go and subscribe, okay? Please and thank you. Okay, and make sure your bell is on. Secondly, make sure your bell is on. Okay, anyway, so until the next time, until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.